Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're dealing with error code 11 on your Noritz tankless water heater in 2025, you're not alone. This is a common issue that can be frustrating, but it's often fixable with some basic troubleshooting. Today, I'll walk you through what this error means, why it happens, and how to resolve it step by step. Let's dive right in. First off, error code 11 on a Noritz tankless water heater typically signals an ignition failure. This means the unit is having trouble lighting the burner, which could leave you without hot water when you need it most. Don't panic. This error is usually related to simple issues like gas supply problems, a dirty igniter, or even a faulty flame sensor. So, what causes this? The most common culprits include inadequate gas pressure. Maybe your gas line is restricted or the valve isn't fully open. Another possibility is buildup of debris on the igniter or flame rod, which can happen over time with regular use. In some cases, it's due to electrical issues, like a loose connection or a malfunctioning control board. Remember, Noritz models from 2025 might have updated diagnostics, so always check your user manual for specifics. Now, let's get to fixing it. Start by ensuring your gas supply is uninterrupted, turn off the unit, wait a few minutes, and turn it back on. Next, inspect the venting system for any blockages, as poor ventilation can prevent proper ignition. If you're comfortable, you can try cleaning the igniter with a soft brush, but be cautious and unplug the unit first for safety. If these steps don't work, it might be time to check for error resets in the control panel or call a licensed technician. Safety is key here. Never attempt repairs if you're unsure, as gas appliances can be dangerous. Always wear protective gear and ensure good ventilation. By addressing error code 11 promptly, you can get your hot water flowing again in no time. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more home appliance tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe and keep your home running smoothly.